Hello everyone, I'm Joe Castronovo. This is my TP-XL from Vito Pro Pack, and this is how I have it set up for fire alarm service slash telecom troubleshooting. It's got my keys on the side, tape holder, tape measure, got my phone butt set on the side along with another tape roll. Also has my meter, slides right into the neoprene pocket for it. I got all sorts of little flashlights and service tools for the fire alarm system, punch down tools, everything like that. This is nice because it folds right over. Flap, go right into here, holds it nice and neat. Also there's a pouch in the back. Put a fire alarm programmer in there. And this is how I have mine set up. Of the TP-XL. Thank you.